Hey everyone, it's Helena here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing yet again the Allure Beauty Box. Now, I'm super excited for this one because it's the new upgraded version, and I'm so excited because I love unboxing this every month, especially when it's my first reaction with you guys. So I'm gonna give you guys the first peek, and I'm just gonna get straight into the box because I'm super excited and I cannot wait any longer. So let's get on to the video. Okay, so it's red this time, which I really like. Super pretty color, and it says from the beauty experts. And I definitely like that they went back to the foldable cardboard box. And so first things first, we have the magazine with a pretty girl on it, and I'll give you guys the first peek. First off, we have this Allure Ultra Hydrating 12-Hour Facial Moisturizer. This looks super duper good. I love a good moisturizer. I think I've heard good things about it, but it actually looks really cute, and it's green, so overall it's really cute. So let me tell you guys the retail value. For the full size of this product, that would be $19 or $18.99. But this is not the full size, but I definitely think it's a really decent size, and the product is definitely filled up in there. Okay, so the next product is something that says Eye Dazzle. It's a longer liquid eyeshadow. It looks really cute. The shade is Meet Leona. I think that's the shade. Is that the shade, or is that like, I don't honestly know, but yeah, it's a liquid eyeshadow. So let's see the shade because I'm super excited. I don't really have many liquid eyeshadows, so this will be a really good addition to my collection. And wow, this looks fancy. Look how cool and pretty that packaging is. It's like a shadow person. It's like really faded, and it's glass, and it looks really nice. Okay, you guys, so it's this super great applicator, and as you can see, it's this really pretty golden color. Oh yeah, the shade's Leona, you guys. I've confirmed that. But let me do a quick swatch on my hand. And it also kind of smells like moisturizer, so that's amazing. It smells really good. Okay, you guys, I've swatched a little bit and I blended a little bit on my arm, but as you can see, it's a very bronzy golden shade. It's a gorgeous shade to even top on any eyeshadow, but it's actually super duper pretty once I blend it in, sort of, and super glittery, and it's honestly great, so I'm really happy with that product. The retail value for this product is $30. Now, I'm not sure if this is the full size, but I do think so. So that's pretty cool. We got a $30 product if it's full size, but I definitely think so. Looks pretty decent anyways. So yeah, the next product I am seeing is some Real Ferment Micro Essence. For brighter, softer, and deeply hydrating skin. Now, I've never used any of this before, but it looks kind of like a liquid to hydrate your skin. Really nice. I don't know, it just looks super soothing. And for the full size, so not the full size, I think this is like a deluxe size probably, but it's $38 if you want to get the full size on neogenlab.us. The next product that looks so great and I'm super duper excited about, you guys, is this scalp scrub. Now this looks honestly great, and yeah, it just looks amazing, and it's made in taupe. When is there gonna be a video that I don't drop something? Because honestly, I don't know if my hands are like unstable because I'm like so excited, or if I'm just like crazy, but I don't know. But yeah, this probably smells really good, and it is grape stem cells, which sounds amazing for your hair, and you always need a good scrub for your hair. My hair is very frizzy right now, so I'm definitely going to be using this in the future, and I'm gonna try to smell it real quick. Okay, you guys, it smells really good. It's like kind of sweet, but it kind of has like that really good natural unscented smell. So if you're sensitive to smells, then I actually definitely recommend this product. This is super duper good, but it's kind of melted because it's kind of been sitting in my mailbox for a little bit. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and close that up and kind of talk about its retail value. The full size for that scalp scrub retail value is $16, and you can purchase it at Ulta. Now, I definitely recommend that product. It looks amazing, and I'll definitely update you guys in another video how it goes. Hint, I'll probably be making a night routine, so I'll be showing you guys maybe that product in the future. Okay, this looks adorable. This is, how do you pronounce that? Manakadar. I'm sorry if I did not pronounce it, but I'm assuming it's some sort of Indian or Arabic brand, something Asian. But it's the Perfect Lip Bliss Moisturizing Lip Mask. I did use a lip mask once previously, and I wasn't a fan of it, but this seems to be a tube, so I'm definitely interested, and my lips are really chapped right now, so I'll apply some actually right now. But it's in this adorable packaging. It's pink and it has a little kiss on it. So yeah, this actually looks really, really good, and let me actually try some right now. Okay, you guys, this is super interesting. It literally smells like strawberries, so I'm really excited about this. When I put it on, it kind of has a tint, and it kind of made my lips look a little bit plump and maroon, which I do like. Super duper moisturizing so far, but I have some lip oils that are super drying, so I'll be updating you guys at the end of this video how this lip mask feels. But so far it's feeling super great. The retail value of that product was $22. Now I do know it's full size because it looks the exact same as the picture, and that's a good size to be the full size. So let me move on to the next product. Okay, so this is a ginormous product, but it looks super cool. Dermalect Cosmetical Self-Esteem Beauty Sleep Serum. This is ginormous, so I'm really excited to see how this product looks. Packaging is super pretty though. Okay, so there are instructions. Whoa. This looks actually really, really, really pretty. So let me show you guys the product and the instructions. Okay, so inside there is a catalog of all their products. Yeah, just kind of like all their different serums and what they sell. It's not really instructions in there. I don't know why I thought that's instructions. No product comes with instructions. But here is the product itself. It is this gorgeous blood red color with these mirrored silver letterings, and it's a self-esteem beauty sleep serum. I don't know why, but I kind of want to open it and smell it, so that's what we're going to do right now. It smells like serum. I don't know why I wasn't expecting anything more, but if you can tell from the camera, it is a super golden-y color, and it's gorgeous, you guys. I absolutely love this product. Really, really good and cool. I'll definitely have to test that and update you on how it works. The sleep serum you guys saw is $42. Sorry, I forgot to mention. But yeah, that is definitely the full size. I don't know what kind of deluxe size that would be if it was, but it's super large, so I'm assuming it's the full size. And as you can see, yes, it's $42 and you can get it at dermalect.com. So it looks like the rest of the box is masks. So over here is a instant bright eye mask, super simple, just that good old eye mask. It's a single use with 2 patches, and seems like a gel eye mask if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so they don't put the exact price of one packet, but they did put $48 for 6 sets of 2 patches. Should be around $8 per eye patch. Sorry you guys, I just blanked out there, but yeah, $8 per eye patch. Now I definitely think it's probably pretty good size, so yeah. The last thing in this box is the face mask. It's the Wen mask. Now I do have one more. It was like a green and pink one that I did get in a previous box. It says the last choice, and it's a biocellulose sheet mask. It's kind of like when your skin is dry. It's kind of more of a gentle ingredients to help drench your skin in long-lasting moisture. It looks like a super packed and thick mask, and I love the packaging. It's super like retro and cute. Love it. The retail value of that sheet mask was $5. Okay, you guys, and that concludes the review for our Allure Beauty Box. So let me do a quick recap of what we got this month. We received the Dermalect Sleep Beauty Serum, the Instant Bright Eye Mask, the Ultra Hydrating Moisturizer, liquid eyeshadow by iDazzle, the scalp scrub from Perfect Shine, the micro essence from Neogen Dermatology, I assume, the Wen mask, and last but not least, the Mana lipless moisturizing balm. Okay, you guys, for this product, I want to give you a quick update. It has not dried, it's still super moisturizing. So I actually do recommend this product, but I love it so much, and I'll give you like an hour update in the description box so you can check that out if you really are interested in this product. So far, I definitely recommend it, but yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really appreciate all your guys' support. Make sure you like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell so you're notified every single time I post a brand new video on this channel. And yeah, stay safe, wear a mask, put some hand sanitizer on, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Bye guys!